In this video, I'm going to talk about how to fix ERR connection timed out in Google Chrome and how we can fix this. So now we are trying to get it with Google Chrome. For some users, they're getting this error. And if you're facing this error, this is what we have to do. So the first thing, what you need to do is we have to go over here, click on the three dot menu. And from here, navigate to the extension and click on Manage Extension. Sometimes, the extension is one of the reasons why this is happening. So what you need to do is if you're having any extension, turn it on. First of all, try turning off this. And also you have to click on the remove and just remove the extension from here. And this is what we have to do. After cross-checking with the extension, the next thing is all about we have to go over here, click on the three dot menu. From here, navigate to the settings. Now from here, go to the reset settings and go to reset setting to the original default. And from here, go to reset setting here. So what happens is reset setting will having these kind of change that Chrome settings and Chrome shortcut. It will be disabling the extension, and also keep in mind it will delete the cookies and other site data as well. So once done, what you need to do is we have to try one more step. That is all about we have to go over here. Now we need to type here for CMD. That's an important thing. So just go over here, type here for CMD. So the CMD is like, a command prompt that is widely used, and you can try this and it will pop up. And right now, before launching it, make sure that you run this as an administrator. That's an important one, and just go for yes. Once you go for the S, as you can see, the CMD will pop up right now. Will pop up over here like this. Now we need to go over here, type two commands. The first one, that is ipconfig. Then we have to put a space, go for flush DNS, press enter. Now we need to type NETSH, put a space, go for winsock, then put a space, reset, and we have to just press enter. Once it is successfully done, we have to do a restart and we have to check. And I hope this quick video is helpful. That's it. Bye.